Now, everyone and their grandmother wants to start a business, but not everyone has to start from scratch, especially not me, considering the new dawn of AI, technical advancements, and the fact that the world rewards efficiency as opposed to hard work. And if you're like me, I have good news for you. You can actually buy and even sell an already thriving business, YouTube channel, Instagram page, website that already has traffic. The platform that has made this possible is called Flippa. With Flippa, you can put up your digital business for sale and acquire a new one with just a few steps. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Over here, we practice while we learn. And because of this, I have the link to Flippa in the description box. So click on it and let's get started. When you sign up to Flippa, this is where you'll be directed to. As you can see, these are the plethora of options you can buy from. These are different online businesses. You can buy apps, you can buy a blog, you can buy a Shopify store, an AdSense account, as well as an Amazon storefront. So let's click on Amazon and let's see the options they have. So if you're using the free version of Flippa, for newer listings, you get access to them 21 days later, after the ones who joined premium get the access. So if the ones, you can also decide to wait 21 days if you choose. Oh, these are the different Amazon storefronts. I would advise you to buy within your niche. These ones are, the amount is huge, and don't worry about it. There's a filter here you can filter to check for monthly revenue to see how much the stores make. So if you want a store that makes like 5,000, just put 5,000 here per month, or let me put 10,000. So these are the different stores that make within 10,000 in a month. This one makes 8,265 and it costs 413,000 to buy. So you would have to decide, is it worth it for you? Because this one makes $80,000, approximately $100,000 in a year. So in 4 years you would make 400, and you'll be able to make this money in 4 years, and after that the rest is yours. But you also have to consider the fact that you have to invest in inventories and other things like ads, marketing and stuff like that. So yeah, you have to figure out if this is something you're going to look into, and how best you can optimize this. You can also filter with price range. So if I want a business that costs 10,000, let's see. Oh, these are the, oh, we even have businesses that cost, oh, I thought I saw a business that costs 250. I was shook. Oh, look, there's a business that costs $155. That is awesome, and it makes $25 in a month. It's less than a year. Oh, this is a blog website. I don't think this is risky. I think this is actually a good investment. It's not that expensive. It already started making money, and as the blog grows, so does your money. So I think this will be a really good investment, in my opinion, if you're willing to put in the work. This one costs 500. Interesting. You can filter exactly what you want to see here. If you don't want Amazon storefronts and websites, you can also buy digital agencies, newsletters, domains. You can buy domains if you want. You can buy games. You can buy apps. This is awesome. You can buy AI apps. This is so cool, and for a good amount too. Oh, look, this one costs $1. So that's basically how to do your investment. You can, if you're sure of exactly what you want, you will just use these filters here to select what you want, and then you'll see the options here. So let's click on one of these and see what it gives us. I think I'll go back to the option I had before. So I don't want domains. I want to buy, let's say, an Android app. Let's see the option. Oh, they don't have it. Oh, this is the only one that costs 2,000. Okay, maybe I'm doing too much. Let me say websites and online businesses, and let me leave apps alone. So because I still have the filter of 10,000 price range, everything I'm seeing here are from 10,000 and below. So I like this health and beauty niche, and it's already making $8,800 per month. So in 10 months, so in a year, you would make 8,000. It's making $800 per month. So in 1 year, you will make 9,000 and some change. Now you can click here to view insights in multiples to gain clarity of how much they've made. No. Now let's view listing to see what's up with it. You have to actually sign a non-disclosure agreement. So after you sign that, you can click on contact the seller. Then you can start negotiating and discussing with the seller. You can also make your offer. And so if you want to buy for lesser than this price, just make your offer directly. But if you want to discuss other intricate details, as I would advise you to, you can contact the seller here. So that's basically how to buy an online business. Hello, my name is Jessica Okole. Over here, I create content related to business, AI, tech, and content creation. I also have free tutorials and courses related to all these things. And the details to all this would be in the description box as well as the comment section. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.